welcome back to myself. Well, you all know me, so I would like to spare the self-introduction. So I'm going to talk to you about the tech transfer help desk that I run at the EU-Japan Center for Industrial Cooperation. Just a couple of words about the center, another couple of words about the services, the available technologies that we display on the website and additional materials, and then some of the activities that we are carrying out in these days. And of course, then if someone wants to be in touch, I would be more than happy to do that. So the EU-Japan Center for Industrial Cooperation has 30 years of history. It is basically a joint venture between METI and the European Commission. We do many things. We are kind of some sort of chamber of commerce, but way more complex. I have also here my friend and colleague Stein. Also, we'll talk to you in a second about the other activities that we bring forward. But basically, we do many things, mostly for SMEs, so for small and medium-sized enterprises that you all know what they are, I guess. So companies that have certain limits in terms of turnover, in terms of employees, that can change according to the, of course, nation, country, region we're talking about, but mostly this is the main idea. The help desk is an initiative that was originally started in February 2016. There is a website that is different from the website of the center. It's this one, eu-jptthelpdesk.eu. I know it's very difficult, but it was the only one that was free at the time. Anyway, if you Google EU-Japan Tech Transfer Helpdesk, you will find it right away. So we do many things on the website. There is a technology showcase. You can search, so that is kind of an engine that you can use to find technologies that are available for licensing. And you have a database of partner IP firms, so companies from Europe or Japan that are interested in helping us out in what we do in our mission. They sometimes provide for space or speakers, for webinars, for seminars. So basically we're trying to put the open innovation paradigm in practice by helping us out. And then, of course, what we are trying to do is to help out SMEs and universities or research centers that from you or from Japan are interested in being in touch with other parties. The feature of the available technologies that is on the website is pretty intuitive for universities and research centers that are the only ones that can upload technology. So companies cannot do it, just universities and research centers from Europe and Japan can just be in touch with me. There is a very simple form, and basically the beauty, let's say, of these profiles is that they're all uniform, all the same. So you will always see the logo of the institution, the description of the institution, the title of the technology, the description, the benefits, etc. So if you're a company, you're looking for a technology, you will see that the benefit of looking at these profiles is to see all very uniform briefs of technologies. When you make a search on the website, you have 3 layers. The first one is the technology database that is proprietary of the help desk and the university database. So we link to external databases to show you the results in real time without them sending us forms or additional information. So we have this is kind of a shortcut to save some time. The second layer is the EN database. So we tell you how many technologies that are over there, and then you can check directly on the website of the EN and JSTOR. That is basically the same. So it collects technologies and patents from public institutions in Japan and universities. And then the third layer is a database with more than 80 million patent documents. So the first and second are technologies that are available for licensing. The third one is technologies that are either being patented or there is a patent application. The search is pretty intuitive, pretty easy. The most powerful is the one done by keywords, because with keywords you can directly have access to the database of patent documents. If you make a search with the TRL, the technology readiness level, from 1 to 9, or by technology area, this guy is here. Basically, you will see just the technologies that are in our database. So it's a way more limited, of course, the database with 80 million documents. This is an example of how you see the technologies. This is our database with these blue boxes, and basically you have a snapshot with everything, the technology area, the owner of the technology, the TRL, and the availability, if it's a licensing or assignment or something else. And this is one of the databases from where we get the data from. It's an independent database run by the University of Alicante in this case, and basically we can get the data from them so that they don't need, as I told you, to update constantly our database. So this is the benefit. These are the other two sources. In the second layer, this is the third layer. So in this case, for example, I search something containing the keyword nano, like nanotechnology, nanotubes, whatever contains the word nano, and there are 210,427 patent documents. If you click on this, then you're redirected to the website of our partner, where you can actually see all these documents. You can see the PDFs, you can see the abstracts of the patents. So as a company, it can be very valuable, and it's free. So, which is a good keyword. The other activities that we do constantly, we have a webinar every month. Actually, one of the latest speakers is today with us, and maybe you can talk to him. And we had a talk about open innovation and international collaborations with Japanese companies. And then we also have podcasts. So we have a channel dedicated to talks that I have with innovators that are usually 5 to 10, 15 minutes. So you can listen to them when you are driving, or where maybe driving not, maybe dangerous, so when you're in the metro. But anyway, hopefully they can provide some interesting insights. And with that, I would be done. These are my contacts. And of course, anyway, I'm here, so I'm more than happy to answer all your questions if you have any afterwards. Thank you.